And good Friday afternoon, everybody. I'm Meteorologist Zachary Veal here to look at an advisory that has been issued for Macomb and Southeastern Michigan. We have a wind advisory that has been issued from the National Weather Service over there in White Lake, Michigan, over there in Oakland County, for Southeastern Michigan, which includes Genesee County, Lapeer County, Lenawee County, Livingston County, Macomb County for us. Monroe, Oakland, Sanilac, St. Clair, Washtenaw, and Wayne counties, starting at 9 p.m. this evening and expiring at 8 a.m. tomorrow on your Saturday due to sustained winds from the southwest 20 to 25 miles per hour and occasionally gusting over 45 miles per hour at times. So that could cause um, sporadic power outages, also fallen tree limbs, um, blowing debris. So if you see any down power lines, make sure you report them to the authorities immediately. Stay far away from them as possible to avoid any accidents. Also, if you have um, generators or carbon if you have any generators, make sure you keep them outdoors, far away from your house. You don't want to have any carbon monoxide problems. Also, make sure that if you have any high-profile vehicles such as trucks, SUVs, make sure you have both hands on the steering wheel. You want to be swerving on the roads due to the wind, so be careful out there. Again, we have a wind advisory that begins at 9 p.m. Eastern time here on this finally Friday, expiring at 8 a.m. tomorrow or Saturday. Again, due to sustained winds from the southwest, 20 to 25, occasionally gusting between 40 and 50. So stay safe out there, and again, stay away from down power lines. And again, report them to any of the authorities like GT Energy or Consumer Energy. And again, stay safe there. Meteorologist Zachary Veal. Hope everybody has a wonderful weekend.